Oh, no. Get the out of here. Get the out of here.
Alright, guys. We're back with another tool video. We got Chris's truck here now.
Yeah.
This is our good friend Jeremy's tool truck. He comes here every Friday. This is pretty much everything except snap-on tools in here. So, a lot of Milwaukee stuff. What is that? Ratchet?
Electric ratchet.
Okay. You have this?
I have the longer one.
This is the short.
Jeremy, is
Just
this
Jeremy
even
in the
shorter
background.
one?
No, it's the minigun.
Is that the one I have?
Yes.
Can we open all these and play with them?
Sure.
I thought he was gonna say no. Alright. Milwaukee, let's see. Jesus, you don't like Milwaukee?
I don't know. I like Milwaukee's good.
Oh, is that a lock? Is there a safety on this thing? What the f? Oh. Yeah, I could see how you could hit that pretty easily. I mean, it's nice, but I feel like the snap-on one is actually kind of smaller than this.
Body wise, I think so.
That's the.
But head wise, pause.
This is actually smaller? Oh, okay.
That's the high torque version. There's also a high speed version, which is a smaller body and smaller head. Giggity.
How much is this? Usually.
$50 a week.
$50 a week forever.
Come on, son. Come on, son.
Whoa!
Red light.
Found the big one. Don't you have that?
I do.
Oh, okay. I mean, the ratchet's kind of nice.
The ratchet and the guns are good. I don't.
Hope Jeremy wasn't in a rush today.
Finish Pro.
Oh,
How much is this? I want to.
$20.
$20?
Dick wipes.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Doesn't say tool cleaner, but I'm sure it works the same.
Yeah.
Well, it's 70 hand.
I can't close this
surface
box,
cleaning
but-
wipes.
We'll just pretend it's closed.
That's close.
What else? What is this?
Could be back.
Wait, what? Chris, what the f is this? Top
that?
off?
You topping me off?
Okay.
Hey.
You put this on top of a battery.
Yeah, it's like a power bank.
Oh, it turns your battery into a power bank with USB ports on it. That's actually pretty convenient. I wonder how long that lasts. This might be the only thing my Milwaukee battery is good for now.
Yeah.
Have a Milwaukee battery?
Got
I
the
have-
long boys.
Oh, we got Cenex Long Boy sockets for spark plugs. Yeah. This is cool. I wonder how much this is.
Does Snap-on have a jumper pack?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, okay. I
Why?
would assume they would do.
I hear the jumper pack's good, but I don't know. This is the best tool ever.
Yes.
That's the shit right there.
Yeah, exhaust hanger removal tool from Lyle. This is like the best tool in the world. Just pop exhaust hanger bushings off.
What? Yeah, at the bottom. of the bin.
What are you looking at, Jesus?
Looking at stuff that I probably That's that season for them from them hoodies.
Let's see the jacket.
Well, it's a hoodie.
It's a hoodie?
No, it's a heated hoodie.
You got the heated hoodie.
Apparently everybody loves them.
Why don't you get one?
Because I don't have anything
I've had one. It was pretty good. It can be pretty warm.
Interesting. It's cool.
Careful water.
Jeremy, you like these?
No.
No?
It's too warm.
Yeah, Jeremy
Yeah,
Jeremy was born in the 7th layer of hell, so he likes to wear shorts during the winter and things like that. And we can't show him on camera because he won't even appear in the lens. The camera might break, so...
It just gets overexposed. It's just a white screen.
Yeah, every time we try to film him, the camera breaks, so... They got good tape measures, I will say that. Now we're invading the Lyle tools. Right over here. Oh, what about this thing? You got one of these?
Yep.
Electrical connector pliers.
Oh, this is nice. This is the same thing that you guys were looking at.
Yeah, that was what we were looking at, I think. I don't think it was. Someone said in the comments that it was a Lyle set that we were looking at.
Yeah, this is for the tap.
Yeah. Tap socket set. Is this just a
Yep.
If you want some fancy clothes hangers, brake caliper hanger set from Lyle. Everything from Lyle is cheap, and it's usually really good.
Hack. For this, I don't have these. When I used to install exhaust, like the new exhaust would come with hangers, so I just take them out.
Oh, really?
And that's what my hangers are.
Oh, they look just like these.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. That's if you get it with the hanger.
This is also one of the most important tools if you're doing any kind of fab work or drilling. Center punch. General one? I don't know. I had a Milwaukee one. That shit broke.
That tool, that Lyle tool, the stud installer.
Stud installers, clutch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's coned. It has a bearing. You basically impact a stud on without the stud.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
I have one.
Wow, that's probably really useful. Lyle only makes really useful tools.
Yeah.
They don't really make any bullshit, honestly.
Another electrical kind of.
Yeah, another...
So that's the one that Snap-on had, but the Snap-on one was the one that interchangeable angles.
Yeah, I thought it looked like this one. I thought it looked like this.
Was it like that one?
Yeah, and it changes angles.
Can't go wrong with a pair of channel lock dikes right here.
Your channel locks is
Yeah, channel lock is like...
good. You don't want to spend money on Snap-on? Channel lock is the next one. Which I
And my
have.
favorite light that I've ever not owned, used, is probably this.
Hey, I used this too.
Yeah, that one indeed.
Didn't I break it?
No, you dropped
No,
in
I
coolant.
dropped that in coolant.
Oh, okay. This was my favorite light until that last Snap-on set we got, the 3 set. But this is probably still better than that. Honestly, this is the best one.
700 lumens.
Yeah. How much is this light, Jeremy?
120.
120.
That's
Can't
not
beat that.
bad.
Can't beat that. Someone's gonna beat it though on Amazon. They're gonna comment on below, but you can't beat that.
That's just Amazon.
Channel lock, magnetic parts tray. You need that. You need that. Look, you got everything in here. These are nice.
Actually,
Yeah,
let me
bro.
get that.
Yeah. All right.
Take one.
No, I just made a sale, Jeremy.
Okay, man.
Honestly, this is actually pretty organized right now. It's usually crazier than this, but this is kind of one of those like free candy trucks you see driving by. You just kind of got to get in here and dig through what you are looking for.
The back just opened up.
I forget you have back here.
There's a back. Oh, we got to go in the back too.
Oh, the pack outs.
Oh, we got pack outs in the back. Don't fall, Jeremy. The camera will break.
Oh, let me get.
Chainsaw. What do you use that for?
The children.
Oh, okay. Guys, you could cut up children real nice with this one. And it's Makita too. Wow. Imagine how many children you could cut up with this. Is it battery powered? Cordless. Cordless chainsaw. You could bring this into a apartment building and cut up children left and right.
Not my children. I'll shoot you first.
They'll probably shoot you first if you try to do that.
3/8 pack master kit.
So what is all
that?
So what is all this?
Like kids.
Guys, if you need gloves,
Come on.
damn.
Diamond grip.
Diamond grip, stacks on stacks back here.
Shop favorite.
Someone said, why don't you use black gloves? Because these are the best gloves you can buy. Diamond grip,
Literally.
Microflex diamond grip gloves are the best gloves you can get. So if they made them in black, we would get them.
Talking about like the black nitro gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I ripped those putting them on.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure there's some. Wag said he was going to give us something to try,
But they're good for fuel. The black ones.
Whoopsies.
Jeremy, what's in this box? Just like broken?
That's got to be returned to the manufacturers.
So you warranty stuff too. Damn. So he even warranties tools as well. Anything they sell.
Platinum.
These platinum wrenches are good.
Everybody needs those.
Yeah.
It's a set.
Yeah, there's a set of these, the platinum long.
Yep, Jeremy's
Ratcheting wrenches.
warranted stuff from here.
This is, I mean, they got definitely good tool sets for people starting out too.
Yes, sir.
29-piece master impact socket set. This is
It's
nice.
like how everything has a case.
You like the cases?
Yeah.
I hate cases.
I do too.
But yeah, I mean, it's nice if you gotta carry it.
Yeah. Let it go.
Oh, and then you got the jump packs in here. He's always got jump packs. The jump and carry. I can't tell if I love that or if I hate that thing.
Is that the one we have?
Yeah, probably. Ooh.
Oh, in there?
Wait, what's the? Oh, this is the pack out.
Pack out.
So what does that mean exactly? Like it's just a box with
Yeah.
Storage.
like
For on the go.
but it's a small one.
It's like what Carl had in that truck, the painting truck,
Yeah,
right?
Oh,
and then
yeah.
you could stack them.
Oh wait, that's a. I think this is a vacuum.
Is that a vacuum one?
Yeah,
It is.
But it goes on the
Oh,
pack.
yeah, it is.
it goes on the pack out.
All right, I want to see it. I have the vacuum.
Oh yeah.
What, you gotta leave, Jeremy? Jeremy's gotta leave. This is the last one. So this goes on top of the vacuum, or it comes with a vacuum?
That is the vacuum.
This is the vacuum.
And
Wow.
it attaches to the pack out.
Pretty nice. That's cool. Yeah, Snap-on's gotta do something with those pack out things.
Does that one not have a pack out?
No, I
they
don't.
do have pack.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, but they're just really expensive.
Oh, well, of course. All right, thanks, Jeremy. Good luck cutting up children later with the chainsaw. I don't know. There's always something hiding in this one.
There is always something. You know, he's got even a bag of 10 mil sockets.
Wait, we could just blur Jeremy's face.
Like what happened with Wags?
Yeah.
Oh, we see him.
We blurred someone's face in one video, and then like it skipped for a second, and they were like, "What the? We saw his face."
All right, Jeremy, you gotta go.
All right.
Thank you, Jeremiah. It holds 3 pounds.
Everyone wants to see your tools. Let's show them some of the stuff you bought from Jeremy before.
dude.
Come on,
Not
come on,
today.
buddy.
Not
Come on,
today.
come on.
Oh my god.
Show us your favorite Jeremy tool.
Favorite Jeremy tool?
Yeah.
We can't do this right now.
Just one. Don't watch the toolbox open up.
Favorite?
I've used this a lot. Impact socket set. When I have to take something and I don't want to take like my whole big chrome set, I just take this, a couple extensions, my gun, and go home with it and do some. That's it.
That's the travel. The travel kit right there. Good idea.
What do I use often? This thing.
Is that your favorite?
It's W3/8. This is probably my favorite gun right now. I think it's like 250 braking force or something like that. Like 250.
Well, when did you get this?
When?
Yeah.
Earlier this year.
Oh.
I thought it was it.
That should take some lug nuts off.
You have your original one or no? Watch out. Watch out. I want to see how smaller it got.
It's significantly smaller.
It's pretty small.
Yeah. You put wheels on with this, or
I can.
that's what it used to be? Oh, well, this is the smaller battery.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wait, is this stronger than this?
No, this is still strong.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is small. It's nice though. And you use Sonex sockets, right?
Sonic sockets.
Yeah.
I've always used Sonic sockets.
They don't break or anything? Well, they
No.
probably break eventually. Right?
The 3/8, yeah, because I use them all the time.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, you got to see Jeremy's tool truck. He's a demon, so we can't show you him on video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Next Friday, we'll try to get him to do another one. and we'll just keep annoying him as well. So Jeremy, if you're watching this, we're going to keep annoying you. Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For the month of November, we are giving away an ORC clutch valued up to $1,500. Ogura Racing Clutch has been involved in the Japanese racing scene since 1998, and now they are officially available in the USA. If you've watched any Japanese drifting before, then you have seen the ORC branding all over the cars and tracks. ORC has always been the coolest clutch to run in your drift car. But they are not limited to drifting. They have a massive range of clutch styles and torque ratings to fit whatever need you have. No matter if you are drifting, drag racing, or circuit driving, ORC has a clutch for you. And they are not limited to JDM. They even supply the Euro market. Before, anytime we wanted to get an ORC clutch or a rebuild kit, we would have to import them from Japan and risk getting them lost in shipping or at customs. But all that is now in the past, and ORC is stocking single and twin clutches in the States. We have been working with them for a couple months now, letting them know which clutches are the ones to keep on hand for everyone and what replacement kits will be needed. They are working with us on this month's giveaway and offering a clutch valued at $1,500. This means you can get a single or twin disc clutch for free. With 5 different power levels to choose from, ORC offers a tailored clutch solution to meet your requirements. Make sure to check out Ogura Racing Clutch at ogura-clutch.com/ORC for more info. And if you are looking to purchase a clutch, check out our website to get what you need.